YJ, so let's get started. So on these, you can't really replace the actual light bulb. You have to replace the whole housing and everything. So that's what we got right here. So go and open it up. Pop the hood. So, come on here, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take off these 4 bolts, screws, I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and do that right now. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. And there's 4. So now we can go ahead and pull this off. Right there. You just grab it and wiggle. Back and forth, up, down. All the way. Comes right off. So there's some screws you need to take out. One of them's down here. Line that up. Last one. Go ahead and remove the headlight. As you can see, the whole thing comes out. So let's put the new one in. So here's the new one. You are going to need this metal piece that was around the old one. And there's 2 bumps. That's the bottom, and 1 bump at the top. That's the top. So it's going to go in there like that. So slide the metal piece over. Take that off. Place that right back in there. Let's get the screws back in. The short ones are the ones that go on the outside right here. And then the long ones are the ones that the big plastic piece goes. cover back on. Now I'm gonna go plug it in. Goes in the same way it came out. Just line up 3 holes. Push it on. It doesn't go all the way down to the light. You'll still see some metal sticking out. We're gonna go ahead and test them. Yep, it's working good. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights back off now. And close the hood. If you like our videos and you want to see any more of our content or see us fixing any of our other vehicles, there's a subscribe button over here. There should be 2 other videos down here if you want to watch those. So see you guys next time.